Genesis chapter 2, verse 10 to 14. A river watering the garden flowed from Eden. From there it was separated into 4 headwaters. 11. The name of the first is the Pishon. It winds through the entire land of Havilah, where there is gold. 1-2. The gold of that land is good. Aromatic resin and onyx are also there. 13. The name of the second river is the Gihon. It winds through the entire land of Cush. 14. The name of the third river is the Tigris. It runs along the east side of Ashur, and the fourth river is the Euphrates. May isang ilog na nagmumula sa hardin ng Eden na nagahati sa 4 na ilog. Ang mga ito ay ang Pishon, dumadaloy sa lugar na may ginto, Gihon, dumadaloy sa Cush, Tigris, sa silangan ng Ashur, at Euphrates. Ipinapakita nito na ang Eden ay isang lugar na sagana sa tubig at yaman na nagbibigay buhay sa mga kalapit na lupain. Follow for more daily Bible verses.